Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an exciting video because we have all of our 3 boxes. So if you're as excited to see what I got inside of these boxes, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with the smallest one, which is a Birchbox, and this month's Birchbox is in collaboration with Rochelle Humes. I think she was one of the singers from the Saturdays, so that's quite exciting for her. But the first thing that I got was the Philip Kingsley Moisture Balancing Combination Conditioner. So this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure it's made for more oily scalps. I'm not sure if I fit into that category, but I'm willing to try it. I have fairly dry hair because, you know, I'm blonde, so that just goes hand in hand, but it's quite exciting to test and see how it works. Next up is the Green Frog Botanic Natural Body Lotion with Sweet Argan, and this is 85% natural, and also it says here the expiration date is September 2021, so I have almost 2 years to use this up. I have actually made it a mission to go through all of my body lotions, and I have been moisturizing my skin before bed religiously for the past week, and I think it's going great. I've already gone through one of my little samples of body lotions, so yeah, quite exciting, and we'll see how it works. Next up is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk, and this is illuminating milk, so I assume this is a highlighter. I think this was the product that we got to choose last month and the product that was sneak peeked for us, but this is what it looks like, and this is the color Liquid Illuminators. I am not a fan, but I'm trying to use them up, and let's just see what the oh, it's a beautiful color. Let me just blend it out here for you. See, beautiful glow, and like, it's not glittery at all, so it gives a lovely look from within. This could be really nice mixing in with your primer or your foundation to give yourself a more glowy base if you have dry skin. I can't do that because I'm combo, but maybe I'll try to mix it in, like incorporate it in with some of my primers to just get some use out of it. And look at the packaging that it came in. It's a milk bottle. It is so cute. Next up we have the Vasanti Brighten Up Exfoliator. This is an enzymatic face rejuvenator enriched with papaya, microcrystals and aloe. So this is what it looks like. Now I don't have a physical exfoliator. Now I'm not sure if this is a physical. No, it has no plastic beads, so I think it is a chemical one. I don't want to open it up because I am using some chemical exfoliators at the moment, so whenever I go through my chemical ones, I'll open this up and I'll test it out. But this is very exciting. And the next thing is so interesting, and I've wanted to get this for so long, and I finally got it in a Birchbox. This is the Melusine Paris Jade Roller. So it is kind of a mini size, and I've wanted to get these for such a long time. You can use them to massage in your skincare, like your serum or maybe your eye cream, and it just works that product into the skin, making it more effective. Or you could, you know, you're sitting at the couch watching TV and you just want some relaxation, and you can go ahead and just massage your face. Really cool. Can't wait to give this a try. Ooh. Now I don't know where my little leaflet is. Maybe I lost it, but I'm not sure. But from what I remember, next month we are going to get a blush, and there will be 2 colors to choose from, so that's quite exciting. And I think the brand was Beautinique. Next up we have Glossybox, and the first thing that I see is this Naobe Detox Illuminating Micellar Water. In my last empties you actually would have seen this product because I've already used it up. I think I received it in one of my Look Fantastic boxes and I've used it up and it was okay, but now I have a backup, which is great. I don't necessarily see the point of spending so much money on a micellar water where the one that I use from Lidl works just as well, but yeah, it's cool, it's great that I have a backup. Next up we have the Bye Bye Strawberry Booster, and this is a 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil. So this is what it looks like, and this was the product that was a sneak peek to us last month, and I thought it was going to be a serum, but actually it is a facial oil. I love this packaging, it is super cute. Now I've just opened up my Lacura Healthy Glow rose oil that I'm using right now. I've used up my ordinary borage seed oil and I'm on to the next one, so once I finish off with this I'll be on to this one, which is super exciting. I've heard so many people raving about strawberry seed oil and how good it is for your skin, so I can't wait to give this guy a try. Next up we have the Model Co Clear Brow Gel. So this is the packaging and this is what it looks inside. Super pink, very Barbie-esque. I already have a clear brow gel open, so I'm going to wait until I use that one up before I go into this one, but it's always great to have a clear brow gel in your collection to you know, set your unruly brows. Next up we have the Beauty Tweezers. So we got a lovely pair of pink tweezers. Now I don't know what's going on. Does Glossybox have had a pink theme this month, because this is pink and this is pink? Anyway, a pair of tweezers, always great, always useful, so I can't wait to give these a try. I hope they're sharp, because yeah, I have loads of little hairs that I need to get rid of. They're sometimes hard to catch with my old tweezers, so yeah, exciting. Okay guys, I called it Basic Beauty, but actually it is Basic Beauty, sorry. And next up we have the Beauty Pro CBD Oil Infused Sheet Mask, and this one is with CBD, lavender and rose hip. So this is what it looks like. Great. I kind of started to love those hemp or CBD oil infused things. My current moisturizer is hemp infused natural moisturizer. Super good, moisturizes my skin but doesn't over hydrate it, especially, you know, my oily skin doesn't really like that, so I'm excited to give this a try. Hope it's good. And the last thing is a little snack. So this is the Naked Salted Caramel Raw Fruit and Nut Bar. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Cute, great, healthy snack. And the next month's sneak peek is a glow elixir from the brand Figs and Rouge. So this is what it looks like. Really cool. I hope it's kind of duping the Versailles serums, primers, whatever they are called, because I'd be very willing to give something like that a try. And it's time for Look Fantastic, and Look Fantastic got a upside down. Look Fantastic got a makeover actually. Their boxes look a little bit different, which is always cool. But the first thing that I see is the Glove Moon pads. These are reusable makeup remover pads, and these are supposed to replace your normal cotton pads. So I'm gonna open them up and see how they look. Oh, very cute. So we got 3 of those, and I assume you can put them in the wash and reuse them up to probably says here save up to 150 cotton pads monthly. So I guess one of these saves you 150 cotton pads monthly, which is a great you know, cosmetic waste and one-time use waste is an issue right now. So yeah, having those and, you know, putting my part in seems like a really good idea. So yeah, I can't wait to give these a try. I'm pretty sure there is some sort of a learning curve with these, but all you have to do is moisten the moon pad with water or use your favorite makeup remover. Okay, so not bad, just kind of like your typical cotton pad. Great, very exciting. Next up is a duo actually, and this is the Professional Sebastian Dark Oil conditioner with jojoba and argan oil, and this is a shampoo with jojoba and argan oil. So this is what they look like. Very exciting, literally perfect for when I go to Poland next month. I'm going to Poland to look for my wedding dress, which is super exciting, and I know I'm going there in 2 months and I literally just can't wait. I want to go now. Okay, you don't know, you can't imagine how I can't even speak how excited I am. But anyway, shampoo and conditioner, great travel size. I'll definitely put them to use when I'm going over there. Next up we have this Mio brand, and this is a shrink to fit cellulite smoother. Great, because you know your girl's got some cellulite. I've been skinny, I've gotten a little bit more fatter, if I could say that, and you know, my legs don't look like they used to look. So I work out. I started to work out consistently over the past few months, and I've started to eat a little bit more healthier. Maybe not over the Christmas period because, well, who does that? But yeah, this is great, and I'll definitely put it to good use, especially before the wedding. Okay, next up we have the product that was sneak peeked to us last month, and this is the Cooking Moisturizing Serum. So this is what it looks like. Okay, let's see what it says. Absolutely nothing. It says that it's vegan, allergy certified, it is fragrance free, and it is a moisture boost. So I assume there's some hyaluronic acid here, which is great. I already have a serum in the works, but that's almost actually finished, and I have a few in my backup, but this is definitely, you know, in the line to get tried out. Very exciting. Next up is the only makeup product in this month's box, and this is the Lord & Berry Made to Measure lip color, and this one is in the shade Just Naked. So let's see. Oh, it's a little bit tough, a little bit hard, but this is the color of that lip liner. Not bad. It will probably work with a lot of my brownish nudie kind of lip shades. Kind of got a brain fart there, but yeah, tucked kind of a little bit on my hand, but that might be because it's a little colder in my house, so you know, it just isn't maybe as smooth as it's supposed to be. And the last thing is the Australian Body Care Tea Tree Oil, and this is a spot stick. It is soothing and effective. So this is the outer packaging, and this is what it looks like, and it is a spot stick with tea tree oil, which provides all the benefits of the tea tree oil. Okay, duh. It can be used with blemishes, insect bites, scratches, and other minor skin irritations. So it has a roller ball kind of applicator, so you would just apply it on your spot and then it will do the works. Great, because my skin is better actually than it used to be. If you look back at my videos maybe 3 months ago, you would see I was very congested down here. It has cleared a lot. It's still not perfect, and I still get the occasional spot here and there. So there's is very needed and helpful, especially for me whenever I get those spots. But that completes today's video. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please don't forget to give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.